Daddy. Like,
Do what?
Keep on messing.
Oh man.
Sorry. Keep on messing. Keep on messing. Okay. So chill. I said chill. Okay. So one is the lucky one who gets 3. Rock paper scissors. Who gets 3? The loser gets 2. So I won 2. So I get 3 and you 2. Well, 2 is actually more for some reason. Alright, Daddy.
Oh, my dad.
Your dad's a 901 number?
Oh, nah.
Daddy, so
Oh, Joy. That was Joy.
Joy.
Daddy, so Daddy,
Okay,
I'll close my
her
eyes.
and what's the name?
Daddy, you mix it and I'll pick. That makes this. That makes this. Are you mixing it? Are you mixing it? Mix this. I'm so scared.
I don't know.
I don't like galaxies.
Just don't.
I'm ready for coloring.
I'm just sitting here with my feet on a foot massager under a blanket on the couch.
Looking like a slave.
I do not look like a slave. Shut up.
So,
I don't know because a slave would not be using a foot massager under a blanket.
oh my God. Well, I don't know
No
if
ice cream. No. Okay.
Dark blue and black.
I want a galaxy.
No.
I want a galaxy. I'm so happy. My home.
Alright.
Hold on.
Hold
I want black or dark blue. I never had black in a while, so I'm gonna try black for my because there's only 3 left, and if you got it, you just only have brown and white. So that's why you only have blue in here. What you want? Okay, close your eyes.
That's fine.
Daddy, close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed.
How many am I picking?
Take this one, please. I want you to get that one.
Dark blue.
You want another glitter?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. So one, 2 sides. What you got, right? Oh,
Plus,
this is what I got.
who has a Costco membership, Jill?
Come on, Dad has a Sam's Club.
So now we're gonna pick the glitter.
So, I mean,
So I want to. I get black. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes.
that's how it was
And you
here.
mix this up.
I
I
don't
get
know
3.
if they're still doing that or not. I know down there
I'm so scared.
they're a little bit more loose
Are you good?
with the
Alright. No, what's she at the butcher shop?
she's not at the butcher shop.
This
She's
one, I guess.
like she's getting some food.
Um,
She's picking up crabs. So
Girl,
it's okay.
girl. And I
But
have to put 2. Can I just pick? I just want these 2.
why?
he not at home.
For your food
I mean,
coloring?
you're not at
And
home.
then I have food coloring. Okay?
Not Maryland, man.
Hold on. I want them to see your boy to scale it up. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Alexa, call Pops.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Add our glue. Alright, Dad. Come on, add our glue. Why are you here? I'm
Oh,
so.
we mixing it with. Hey, Dad. Are you logging into the Zoom with Latoya?
Hi, Papa.
Oh, okay. Oh, you didn't get on your email. Ask her to email it to, get your email to invite the dad. Hold on.
We'll be right back. We're back. My dad's on the phone right now. He's like,
They don't know.
and there.
Yes. Maybe they might come. And Jordan Marcus and Jill.
Right.
That's it. Nobody else knows. So.
He's downloading now.
All right, Daddy, hang up.
Who wants to be on Saturday? I think Pat was trying to download It's trying to download the app or something. I don't know. He was doing something. Julian, is your dad not able to access Zoom like he accesses it?
Yeah, but she didn't send it. She sent it via text, so he has to download the application on his phone. So he's doing that. He's doing that right now.
Okay, I understand.
Daddy, come on. It's popping.
He ain't got nothing.
Alright. Now if you go back to the text.
Hang out with his buddies.
Now if you click on there.
I ain't mad at him. Pretty good.
Daddy, we're waiting for
Miles
you.
just had his little best friend lives. I probably stand out on our deck and yell. And they could hear me on his little best friend.
Hey, he's Dad should be on.
Pop-Up should be waiting in the little waiting room on the Zoom. She said she didn't put a waiting room on this one, so he should be able to just get in.
Okay.
So he just had the little boy sleep over here for 2 nights, and then Miles slept over his house the next night. So they had 3 days of a sleepover, and it was so fun.
Mommy, you mean 4?
Able to do it, so.
Mommy, you mean 4?
They're just like, can we have another one? I'm just like, all right, y'all, like, it's the beginning of the summer. But I felt bad for them. So they are like. Think about what? Yeah, I'm not. I mean, that's the biggest get down there. I'm not even.
Sure,
Worry about that. Oh my goodness, it's not until you get on something like this you see how much your hair color is growing out. Look at it.
What's it doing, Dad?
I just got it done on May 24th. And so I'm supposed to go back on the 10th of July, but I messaged her earlier. I was like, is there any way I can get in on Tuesday or Wednesday? Because it's growing out quick. I'm scared to come here.
Ever. Daddy! I'm gonna have to pause.
I don't know.
What's it doing, Dad?
What's going on, Jim?
It's still saying wait for the meeting to start. Huh?
I don't think we'll subscribe.
What's it saying? It's saying still wait for the person to
Give
start.
us 1,000. Okay. Wait. Muslim ya no se grada. No vazia no se grada. Nos un día sin ganar. Sin ganar. Voy a pasar. Musea. Okay? So or something. Like we just wait. Dad, I'm waiting for you.
You out here?
Sienna, you gotta be patient.
I am.
He's trying. Almost.
Did you hang up?
That's so.
Why are you going quick? You have to talk too. You have to wait.
What's up, y'all? Put this on. Can't see me yet.
Who's gonna
Doing
die?
a couple of things here.
Oh, look at this.
It's kind of like
That's way
black.
too much.
No, it's not. You got? Huh? Okay, say it again.
Oh, this is literally.
Yeah, please.
Oh my God.
What's your dad's email address, Jill?
It's Keith.Shoe, right?
You can hear me outside too.
I know. Keith. Alright, Keith.Shoe at Gmail, right?
Actually, like floating.
It's the email's Keith.Shoe.
Is there a dot?
Hey, Dad.
Oh,
Hey, Dad. Is your email Keith.Shield or just Keith.Shield?
Keith.Shield.
Yeah. Keith.Shield at Gmail.
Toya.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes closing out
It's,
the application completely. They can
Keith.Shield
on that link
at
again on the text. Sometimes that works.
how big will
Keith.Shield at Gmail.
Yeah, she's doing it right now. She's doing it right now.
Try to make something. It doesn't show.
Alright, we'll call you back. Bye. Alexa, hang up.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, back over there.
Oh my God. Okay, not drunk.
Yeah. No, it's not big enough for yours. That's almost a name that's please.
Mister. Jew, you alright?
Ew. Come on, boy. What is Daddy doing in the bathroom? I think it's maybe.
What'd you say? The little one? That's the one I get the bottom away.
Oh my God. I need a napkin. I need a napkin. Oh, sorry. Uh-oh. It's going to be a disaster. Glues in the way. I didn't add my black blue coloring yet in my glitter because I want to see what should I add it? Look at this color. Damn, it's a prank with a soul. No. You can hear the dog back in. think I had some more glue. Go faster. If that was Miles, you'll hear the gate open.
Well, sometimes they can hear stuff, Sienna.
And we can't. They're still talented.
No, are you about to eat?
No, you're good. Well, we got bread.
Oh, okay.
It's like, oh, I was supposed to be 8 o'clock.
Braille.
How many crabs did y'all get? I said, how many crabs did y'all get?
We got lunch and eat crabs. I haven't been up to eat them. Crabs in the I've been trying to charge me for large and they were like, medium.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I'm like, you not eat all that. And then when we had lunch at the trail, we got some. And I was scared that I forgot how
Oh, you guys would.
tasty. I was like, I think one more there.
Yeah, what's up, dude? Dad?
Alright, I don't know what's going on.
Text Joy.
Joy!
I didn't.
Daddy, come on.
Julian,
Yo.
did Joy ever respond that they were going to be on there, or?
Daddy, alright, come on. I'm waiting.
Oh, she said Joy liked the message, but.
Yeah, she.
Daddy, what are you doing? We're still doing the video.
Well,
Smiley, y'all can just start. I don't think Joe's gonna be on.
well, there's nothing to start. It's me and Toya already.
Yeah.
It's just me and Toya.
What that is? He ain't gone on yet?
No.
You sent the email, right?
She sent him the email.
Alright, I'm
yeah.
just gonna have to.
So, I mean, we'll be down there. We'll be down there at some point on Thursday. So, I mean,
But adding, Dad, come
we'll
on.
just keep it simple and
Yeah.
How do you add this glitter?
yeah, that's fine.
It's glitter.
All right, enjoy your crafts.
I thought, is Joy gonna be on?
Yeah. Today it's too late now.
You have to do it.
So what, say it's gonna be at whose house?
We don't know. We can't make that decision. Your father needs to be involved.
But he was about to log on.
Well, when? She sent him the email like 8 minutes ago.
Why are you
She's about
looking
to
at
eat.
me?
Oh, okay.
Why are you just staring at me?
So she said she'll just send a text or something.
All right.
Dad, why are you just staring at me?
I'm ready.
Yeah, why not? I'm just doing it.
All right, where Miles at? It's almost 8:30.
Send a text saying, I guess that y'all not having a meeting no more. She uses my phone.
Now, why
I would
just-
send it, but she uses my phone.
Are you just looking at
So
me?
you want me? Oh,
Mix! Like, do some.
oh, what are you mixing with?
With some glitter.
so- all right. Oh yeah, did you have light blue? That's great, great. I'll keep it on here, Nanny, please. How many glues did you use?
See?
I'm sorry. How'd you know? Oh shit.
I
Oh, shit.
hope Daddy doesn't win.
Oh shit.
Daddy, that looks really weird. It looks like a galaxy. Want to add some more?
That's good. I just said it was good.
I'm calling her crazier than that, huh? Get out.
Who you texting? Oh,
Who you
I
texting?
thought you said something about Miles.
I don't know.
Ooh,
You.
I'm saying it's almost 8:30. He ain't home.
He'll be alright. It's still light outside.
Okay, well, don't make me have to get in the car.
And do what?
Go find him.
Where's his phone?
You know he doesn't have it.
That boy crazy. Get it in, y'all. 21-minute video. And we're about to. I don't want to even mess mine up. I think mine is perfect blue. I'm just ready to add my activator, y'all, and I'm ready. She's doing too much with her. I'm gonna keep mine basic, simple. You'll
We
see.
don't have any
Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit of these stuff to it.
I don't want to add any light colors though. How are we gonna mix? Can I use this?
That's a pen. We'll find something.
Just like this?
No, I thought you had to look upstairs in your room and see if you have something.
I know I don't know.
Come on, why are you throwing the stuff away?
I'm not.
Why are you pointing at me?
I was just like this. Ah! Oh, Dad, you're messing yours up.
Hater. Hater alert. Hater alert. Hater alert. Hater alert.
Dad
Hater alert.
alert. Dad alert. I'm very mad. Oh, yeah. Now look at these. I got these. I got these. I'm so Daddy, I'm waiting for you so I can mix mine up. I'm never gonna put this in my hand. A little more silver.
Huh?
Cupcake in the freezer.
Me?
Put cake in the freezer.
Cupcake.
What cupcake?
Daddy.
Y'all got ice cream. I got a cupcake.
Me and Mommy could have a girls' night,
Alright.
watch a scary movie upstairs and eat ice cream.
Oh, nice. All right.
Alright, I'm gonna
Daddies
mix
are not
mine. You...
invited either.
Wait, Daddy. Yeah, that's what I said though. Only dogs.
Only dogs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I pour it? Because I'm professional.
Hi, Barbie.
Oh, mine turns out really good. But I didn't add my food coloring yet.
Rude to me and you need to go take a stroll.
Please don't turn out the same color last time. Remember that color that I had last
Mhm.
time? The pink is taking over. Looks like sand. It looks, oh! Well, I do want to sing. So, look at this. That look,
Call mine ocean blue.
that's so pretty. I want to, where's your food coloring? Where's your, I'm gonna do mine to mix up black and blue. Blue, black. Oh, I want a tiny bit of blue because I don't want my color to end up like your mess. Looks like blob.
Did you just pass gas, Paolo?
Maybe because that's where he moved. Daddy, how do you help me?
Says what?
A belch.
Oh, you put black in there?
Yeah, that's blue right here. I need a bit of black. Blue and black make galaxy. 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 Oh my! I'm about to win, champs. Mine's gonna be like a swirl. Galaxy, yours is just blue. Yours is like Earth.
I call mine ocean blue.
I call mine swirl. That look, I call mine. That look, I think I can beat this.
Maybe.
Add a tiny bit. Huh. Yeah. I want to put some more blue. And I want to put some more black. Here, let's add some more blue. Ooh, let's add some more black. That's enough. My swirl is becoming the best. Slime ever. What percent is your phone on?
It's charging.
I need some more blue. Where's the blue? Ah! That's enough blue. So don't want it to be like his mess. Look at this, Daddy. You think you can defeat my slime? Now look. I know you like it, but you're just saying blue. Is that true, Daddy?
Are you saying I'm being a hater?
You're not. Daddy, my slime can't. My slime can't defeat yours. My slime. Let's get the blue tint in there. Mama, come here. I need you seated my slime. Well, I'm glad to activate it first. Daddy, just look.
How are you supposed to look?
I need to show me. I'll be careful. Mama, look at my slime. Mama, look.
Ooh, man. This is, okay.
I made
This is
it.
probably the prettiest one you've ever made.
So I'm not going to ruin this apple.
Don't ruin it. It's too perfect. Look at that.
I know.
Mm.
Oh no. Now I'm going to bring yours. Look at this. Mom, look at this.
Like a flat balloon.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a pretty, awesome, amazing.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know you had your cell phone with you. You need to be in contact with people. It's getting dark out.
I think I might add some more glitter, but I can't see it though.
Alright.
Here, I'm gonna add some light blue, if you mind.
What do you say?
Huh?
What do you say?
Please don't phone.
Mom, would you come home? I'm not going to make your plate. You can make your plate when you get in the house. I'm not the maid. Bye.
My slime is
Make sure you
annoying.
make my plate.
Who's he at?
He's on his way home
From where? Can you say?
from in front Travis's house.
Guys, look at this. My slime even isn't staying the same. Why does this looks like I have foam beads in it?
I can add some stuff to it. I'm the master at
Then
this.
I texted Ty and I said, are there boys around your way?
Mm.
And she said,
Wait here, yeah.
that she has the
Here, I
the
might
app on
add
her
some
phone too, where she can track Travis's phone.
Mm-hmm.
She said, it looks like they were at Jeffers Hill and they're en route back this way. She said, I'll text you as soon as I see him. And she said, Norris just looked outside and they just walked up, came up front. She said Norris is going out to investigate.
Mm.
And then Miles called me. I didn't know he had his phone. I said, man, when you have I said, you need to let me know you have your phone. I said, it's getting dark out. You gotta let people know where you are.
Mm.
Now look at this.
And then heard Norris come out of Miles.
Now look at this.
She heard Mouse say what?
Norris came outside. And Miles said, hi, Mr. Norris. And I guess he must have said, is that your mom or who are you? Like, you know,
Yeah.
he's like, yeah, I'm talking to my mom now. And then Miles said, well, Mom, can you get sure my plate ready? No, I need to make your plate, man. Make sure my plate ready.
Are you trying to sabotage me?
No, that's what you all need. I'm just gonna go by hand. That's easier.
Ew.
What? You're ew.
Actually, you're right, I think. Now,
It's kind of.
at this point,
Oh
you go by
no!
hand.
I gave you the idea.
Thank you.
Because you get to like do that with it. Like, what was that? Did you see that? Did you literally? Seriously, look.
You still on that feet thing?
No. I hope literally mine turns out slime. Because yours look really good. Mine's just flop.
I'm gonna keep your hands.
Clean.
See black stuff right here.
It's reaching.
Sorry, guys.
Wait, where are you guys? Oh, I forgot about you. Mine.
Sienna, make sure you stand on here.
Okay. I don't think mine looks the same.
Here, put yours on here.
Hi, Pete.
Yeah, mine does not look the
Oh.
same.
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, I can add some more food coloring.
Yeah.
Which is this for?
Oh,
Daddy,
that's
and
mine.
me got 2 ice creams in there. I'm at 3.
Yo, eat your dinner first, bro.
Dang! And let your stomach dry, Jess.
You so excited for dinner?
No.
Oh, what y'all do?
Hey.
Good.
I think I accidentally had too much.
Wow, you just gotta make sure it's getting dark out. You gotta make sure the
Mr.
community.
Norris walked me home.
Oh, why did he walk you home?
Cause
In dark.
walked me home. It was dark.
Oh, bro, come on, man. He had to walk you home.
Just me.
Tell him thank you, stuff, right?
Maybe he was a little scared, Mom. Maybe
Where's your bike at?
It's in the gate.
No.
Oh, that just. I thought you said. I thought Mom said in the garage. Daddy,
Oh,
look at my
yeah.
slime. It's
Snap
double
into-
pink shrinky.
Snap into a Slim Jim. Oh, yeah.
I don't think he can not. I don't think they can see you. You're good. They can't see you.
This has been one of my greatest projects ever.
Look at my slime.
Mm.
And that's one sticky. Look at mine. Mine is nice and stretchy.
This has been the greatest slime.
Oh, this is so. Oh, you have shaving cream upstairs, remember? I saw some shaving cream.
No, I don't have a lot though.
Some who? Some shingle-berry girl.
This
Oh,
chicken
my
baby.
back hurts really bad.
What happened? From lifting, something?
Weights.
Weights, what?
Yes, I was lifting weights
In the basement, what we
in
doing?
the basement.